Be ready. Start. I have been asked this evening to speak to you about social services. If you find that I am not able to do some sufficient justice to this great audience, you will credit to so many engagements that I hastily accepted. It was my desire that I should have at least a few moments to think out what I have to say to you, but it was not to be. For social service, as for any other service on the face of the earth, there is one condition indispensable, namely proper qualification on the part of those who want to render social service or any other service. So, we shall ask ourselves this evening whether those of us who are already engaged in this kind of service and others who have aspired to render the service possesses these necessary qualifications. Para, because you will agree with me that in social service, if they can mend matters, they can also spoil matters, and in trying to do service, however well that service intended might be, if they are not qualified for that service, they will be rendered not service but disservice. What are those qualifications? They are of universal application and they are necessary for any class of work, much more so in social service at this time of the day in our national life, in our dear country. It seems to me that we require truth in one hand and fearlessness on the other hand. Unless we carry the torchlight, we shall not see the step in the front of us, and unless we carry the quality of fearlessness, we shall not be able to give the message that we might want to give. Unless we have this fearlessness, I feel sure that when that supreme final test comes, we shall be found wanting. So, I suggest that every social worker must have these two qualities to serve his countrymen. Para, although in India we have had a long tradition of voluntary social work, I find that we are not making full use of our resources. There is a lot of talent and capacity and willingness for the social work. We should so devise our programs as to attract the people who are already to help us with their money or talent or time. The voluntary organizations provided an opportunity for those who are ready to contribute money, talent, or service whenever needed. Stop.